Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. You need to replace your car battery? Well, you only need a few tools. Let me show you how. You first want to identify the positive and negative. The positive is red and the negative is black. You want to remove the negative first. All you really need is a deep well socket. This happens to be a 10 mil. Pull off the negative terminal first. Next is the positive terminal. Some of them have covers on them you need to remove. And you just find the release nut right here. Next, we're going to remove the hold down strap. Just loosen the two nuts and they should pull right off. Now it's just lifting the battery out and putting in the new one. It's always a good idea to clean the terminals and the terminal clamps. You can buy one of these at the automotive store for a couple of bucks. Before you drop your battery in, it's important to line up the terminals with the proper cable. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Now that we have the battery in, we're going to put the hold down strap in. These hooks line up with a hole on the bottom of the battery area. Next, I'm going to attach the positive terminal. Now the negative terminal. That's it. Battery installed. Pretty easy. For more tips like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.